Good morning. This is my recording for administrative task. Um, what I did, I first go to my email, go to my Google Apps, go to Drive. I actually did make one already, my online day one, but just gonna show you how I did that. I did create new folder, name it MBAB Batch for Online Day 1. And under that folder, I have the administrative tasks. And under that administrative task, I have the file and folder management and also the reflection paper that I have typed using Canva and saved it here. Uh, Under the file and folder management, it's still empty as of right now because I'm gonna put this video showing how I made this file and folder management. And going back to file and folder, and also this, I colored this into this color. I can actually rename this. I can share this also. And I organized this by putting colors, which this one that I use. Yeah. This is my administrative task under file and folder management. Thank you.